In this video, I'll show you how to connect to two Wi-Fi networks on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. So open the settings and then select Wi-Fi and then choose network acceleration, tap on it and then select dual band Wi-Fi speed boost. So tap on that and then ensure that you have enabled this option. Now it will show you the primary network, which is the network that you have currently connected. And then it will show you the available auxiliary networks that you can connect to. So find the network that you'd like and tap on it and then type in the password and then tap on connect. And you should see it's starting connect. It will connect to that particular network. So sorry about that. And then once it's connected, on the Wi-Fi icon, you should see a plus icon indicating that it has connected to two Wi-Fi networks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.